Easily confused words. Some words confuse us because they sound alike or have similar spellings or meanings. Pay attention to easily confused words to ensure you communicate the correct messages to your readers. These are some common usage errors you may wish to add to your personal list. Accept, except, affect, effect, bad, badly, break, break, breathe, breath, new, new, lay, lie, past, past. Last month, we chose beautiful new party invitations. The clerk at the stationery store told us their warehouse would enclose the cards in envelopes and that they would mail them directly to our guests, but they never did. We are so aggravated, they're really trying our patience.
Choose, present tense. Chose, past tense. New, past tense of know. New, the opposite of old. Cleric, belongs to a religious order. Clerk, a store seller. Stationery, not moving, not changing. Stationery, paper products. There, contraction of they are. There, belongs to them. There, in that place. Wear, to dress in clothing. Where, goods to sell. Wood, substance of trees. Would, will. Male, opposite of female. Mail, postal packages. To, also. To, a preposition. To, a number. Aggravated, intensified, or made worse. Irritated, annoyed. Patients, people under medical care. Patience, endurance without complaint.
Remember, usage errors can negatively affect your writing. Effective writers choose words carefully and check spellings and meanings to ensure the message is presented clearly.